Hello everyone, welcome back to Unique Sneak Peeks. Well, today we are going to talk on a topic that I hope that you never have to use in your trip. But it's better to be prepared. Well, we are going to be talking about our medical kit. Well, whether it's a short trip or a long vacation, having your basics with you always saves the day, especially when you're not feeling your best. A big disclaimer before I start this video, the medicines that I'm going to be showing are prescribed by my doctor. So it's better that you consult your doctor before going on a vacation and take these medications. This video is just to let you all know what I carry on my trip. Well, ये सब basic medicines है. Let me just show you what all I carry. In this box, सबसे important Rally spray. After all those long walks on your vacation, you definitely need this. Then a nasal spray, some band-aids, very important. Well, this is for my gut. I have a gut issue. Some antiseptic cream. If you're asthmatic, the inhaler that your doctor has prescribed you. Vicks inhaler. And of course a muscle relaxant cream. If you want to buy this box, I'll leave the Amazon link below. You can order yours. चलो अब देखें इस पाउच में क्या खजाना है. ORS powder, very important to keep you hydrated if you have diarrhea or something. Strepsils, some lozenges, गला खराब के लिए. Digene tablets. अगर acidity नहीं भी होती मुझे तो भी ये टेस्टी लगती है खाने को. Some acidity tablets. I always get some antibiotic prescribed from my doctor before going on a trip. You never know, when you have fever. Then if you're nauseated, feel vomitish, then carry some medicine for that also. For loose motions, again, this is for my gut. So if you have any issue, please carry some medicines for yourself. Crocin or Dolo for your fever. Headache के लिए. This is again diarrhea or vomitish. Then I carry cyclopam for my stomach ache. Muscle relaxant tablet. Again for loose motions. पुदीन हरा बहुत important है. So if you are someone who is suffering from high blood pressure or diabetes, don't forget to carry your monitoring machines along with you. Also, don't forget to carry your prescribed medicines for your diseases. It's very important. Do not forget that. I also don't forget to carry a digital thermometer, some bandages or a small scissor and a tweezer. A quick tip. I always try to carry all these medicines in such pouches or zip pouches so that it's easier to find them when you need them. Also, very important tip, do pack all these medicines in your hand baggage, not in your check-in luggage, because you never know, you might need them on your flight. Please don't take these medicines without consulting your doctor. This is what suits me, so I carry these medicines. So that is all that I carry in my medical kit. I think this basically covers it all. And just a reminder, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share it with your travel buddies and comment below just in case I have forgotten something. And please do subscribe to our channel Unique Sneak Peeks for more practical travel tips. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. So, until then, it's adios, tata, bye-bye. Love you all.